Okay, today is November 30th, 2012. Let's take a look at Apple. This week here, earlier in the week, I was mentioning about the three consecutive update here, and that is expected for a low pullback with the resistance somewhere around up at this 590 area, and possibly pull it back to somewhere around this 577 level. And you can see that following the day that I put out the video, it actually bumped up to the 590 and then it pulled back, but it did not pull back to this 577 level until the following day, in which that it actually pulled back more than retracing this particular gap here. Actually went down to somewhere around 572 area, and then it bounces back on the following day with a gap up, and then it just kind of chop around all day long, and also constantly testing that 590 area. Then today, as a OPEX weekly OPEX option expiration, you can see there's kind of some funny game being played. And if we take a look at the 30-minute chart here, and you can see that here's the 590 area that was talking about, and all these these area here that are testing these 590. Okay, so you can see that's a resistance, and then on that day, that's this is the day that I put out the video indicating that after three consecutive update, it's time for a minor pullback, and it indeed is it pulled back, and then also the following day it gapped down and came down and closes this gap here, this 572 area, and then the following day actually gapped up and actually made, if we zoom this in, actually gapped up and went above that 594 area. Then it come down and then chop around, and you see all this. Let me get my cursor down a little bit. So you can see all these 590 test area, and then late in the afternoon, you find a breakout of this 490. And you can see that some of the long got trapped up here, because once it got them in, they chased that 490 breakout, then it came back down below that 490 and then closed near the 490 area. And then today, the OPEX day, weekly OPEX day, actually gapped down and stayed down near the this particular area here, somewhere around the 582, 584. You can see that was the 584 here, trying to hold this 584 support. And then at the end of the day, it came up and pinned it at somewhere around the 585 area to pin up, to close out all the weekly option with a pin at 585. So you can see what I'm expecting for the coming week is essentially to come back down and get below this this 5-day EMA, and then possibly get down here and fill this this gap here, this 572 gap, because we do have a little gap here, and then if that doesn't hold, I wouldn't be surprised to see it actually come down to this 530 gap, the 530, 540 gap here back in November 19. So definitely, if just a little disclosure, I am holding a short position on Apple. We have some Apple put. My stop area would be anywhere somewhere around above this 594. So on this day, after I put out the video, I bought some Apple put and went short on it, using the Apple put, and then took some profit when it traced back up, scaled back some, and so right now I'm holding those, and we'll see how that pan out, because I do expect Apple to kind of retrace back and possibly get back down to this particular level here at the 555 eventually. So we could see somewhat of a maybe forming a little bit of a higher high, higher low, if this is a reversal low here that we saw this capitulation and this reversal hammer. So that's basically what I'm looking at for the coming week.